I've been using PPC Winner for a few months, and so far, it's the best decision I've made in the field of advertising with my Amazon sales. At one point, I honestly started to think that there's no way to make a profit from selling on Amazon. I used to spend so much money on PPC, and my advertising costs kept growing without any results. All of that changed with PPC Winner. This fantastic app saved me a lot of money, and my complete advertising process became automated in an incredibly simple and smart way. Now I just pick up a product, define my marketing goals, and it all takes less than a minute. You don't even have to be in advertising like me to start a campaign and drive your sales. It's so simple. With PPC Winner, I sell more by paying less on advertising. So yes, PPC Winner definitely helped me win the game of advertising.